Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Social Blade to be able to predict the growth of channels and how other industries are performing, and that can help you grow on YouTube. So if you look at this particular channel, this is a channel I'm going to use as a case study. So if you want to study a particular channel as an example, you come to that particular channel on YouTube, copy the URL of it, and then or the handle of that particular channel. Then when you come, you post it here and then search for it. So when you search for it, it will just appear. It will give you a breakdown of the dashboard of that particular channel. So you can check anybody's channel and study their data and use it to improve upon your growth, or maybe if you want to do videos in that particular industry. So as an example, this channel, if you come here, you see the number, the Social Blade rank, and the overall total grade. So this is a grade of B. When you click on the question mark, you say the total grade is a visual representation of the Social Blade rank. And then you see the Social Blade rank, you see the subscriber rank. This one is worldwide. Then you see the video views rank, you see the country rank. So in the country, it is ranked 736, and it will show you the country that particular channel is located. And then the niche of that channel in terms of the tech industry is 117th. Then you see the number of views it had, the number of subscribers it had for the last 30 days. You also see the estimated monthly earnings. And here, as you can see, between $1.5 to $24,000. And then the views for the last 30 days, 6.97 million views. Then if you come to, this is just the subscriber summary. So if you check here, on 20th September, they gained 397,000 views. And then the estimated earnings was $99 to $1.6 thousand. So the estimated, it means that they earned around $1.6 thousand. So if you are looking at Social Blade, you always look at the upper figure, because the lower figure, they are using an RPM of between $1 and $4. In fact, between around 0.1 and $4. So majority of channels will have an RPM of $4 or more. So if you use an RPM of $4, it means that this number of views would have earned them this amount in that order. If you look at it, some of the days when you see that there is nothing there, it means that they added that result to the following day. So it means that this particular date own has been added to this, and in that order. Okay, so as you look here, you see, you can always come and look at the averages. So averagely in a day, they get about 334 subscribers. Weekly, 2.33 subscribers. In the last 30 days, they get 10,000. They had 10,000 subscribers. Then if you come to the views, every day they get an average of 203,000 views. They get an average of 1.4 million views weekly and 6.97 in a month. Then if you come here, again, an average of $813 a day, $5.7 thousand dollars a week, and $24,000 a month. Then as you come here, in fact, this is how they have fared for the past, I think, since March 2023 to now. And from my research about them, they have stopped posting content for the past 2 years, but they're still making something. So if you look here, at the time they were posting content, they were doing far better. But nonetheless, they're still doing well. As you can see, they are not doing content for the past 2 years, but they're still making around $24,000 a month. That is massive. That is really massive. Okay, so now let's look at the future growth. I will also show you another channel. For example, this is my channel. I will want to show you how to use any of the channels to project your growth. So this one like this is my channel. You can look at the data, just similar to what I was explaining. It's the same things that you can, if you look at it, so the uploads, the subscribers, and then the country rank, or the country location, the video views rank, then the total grade. Yeah, I have a B minus. Now let's say we want to look at how this channel has been growing for the past 2 years. You see that it has been growing, and then sometimes it comes down, it goes up, and YouTube is like that. You will never get a channel that continues to grow and never declines. Some months are good and some months are not good. So now, but let's look at overall. If we want to look at the growth in the next 1 to 2 years, how will that be like? So when you come and click on future projections, okay, so you see that it's actually in the next 5 years, they are telling me that if I continue, I will be around 17,000 subscribers. Then when you look at the views, I'll be around 53 million views. It means that I'm getting a lot of views, but I'm not getting much subscribers corresponding to the way the views are. So you see that my views are going well. And even when you check here, with 4.8 thousand subscribers, I get around, let me just show you this one. In a month, I get about 120 subscribers. And in terms of views, about 53,000 views. So there are certain channels that people watch more, but they don't really subscribe much. And that is an example of something like this. So when you are studying or you are researching a channel like that, you need to figure out why is it that the channel is getting a lot of views, but the subscribers are not increasing that much. Yeah, so you have to do all that research. Then there are also certain channels, when you come, you will see that they are declining in growth. So for example, this one is growing and increasing. But let me show you another channel so that you will study some data and then advise yourself. You see this particular channel, they have about 1.38 million subscribers. But in the last 2 years, they have been declining. They've been declining a lot. You see that they were very high and they've been coming down. So when you want to go into an industry like this, you have to go and find out why is the channel going down. And from my study of this channel, I have been a fan of this channel and a subscriber for the past 5 years. One thing I can say is that the voiceover they were using, they've changed the one who was their main voiceover, and it has really affected them. Again, they have shifted the usual videos or the type of videos they used to do, and it has affected them. I'm just giving an example of what probably has caused it. Now, if you see something like this, you need to go and study that particular channel and find out what exactly is causing them lose views or go down. And it can help you. If you study and you don't see any significant reason why they should be reducing, it means that maybe probably the search volume or the need of videos in that industry has been declining. And in addition to that, you have to use Google Trends. And I've done a video earlier on how to use Google Trend. I will leave it in the description of this video. So you have to take time and then follow, understand, study channels in details. And it can also help you to motivate you to know how averagely people make on YouTube, so that will also help you do the content you want. So if you see this one like this one, they make around $36 a month. In fact, 58,000 views in the last 30 days. That is not really good from my experience though. But I mean, the views, looking at the number of subscribers and the views, is not really encouraging. But as I said, all channels have their up and down. So you have to look at different other channels, probably what relate to what you want to do. So let me show you an example. This particular channel has how many subscribers? 1.29 subscribers, just like the previous channel I showed you. But if you look here, they had 1.47 million in the last 30 days, and they made an average of what? $5.9 thousand. This is the direct amount of money YouTube pays the creator. But there are other sources of money like sponsorships and all that you cannot know. Even with that, the RPM is not something we can tell. If the RPM is more than $4, the person will definitely be earning more than this amount we see here. So there are many avenues you can use to really earn money on YouTube. And if you study these, just as I have explained to you, and you follow it, you are going to, at the end of the day, shape your channel's growth and help grow exponentially as you may want it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem and you need my assistance, let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you once again and see you in the next video. Bye.